This is Alan Bush with ADMIS with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, May 26th. In the stock index futures, we are seeing prices just a little bit higher this morning, even though we did have a series of economic reports that did come in better than expected. That would include durable goods, pending home sales, and jobless claims, all supportive to the economy, and yet stock index futures really not that much higher. Of course, we did have very strong gains over the last couple of days. Also, keep in mind, we do have Fed Chair Yellen speaking tomorrow, and I believe that there's a very good chance that her comments may be a bit on the hawkish side as far as interest rates are concerned. So that might be a bit of a headwind for the indices today. Once her comments are out of the way tomorrow, I think we can see a new round of higher prices for stock indices. Longer term, though, still thinking that the main trend is higher and that we should see gains continuing through the balance of this year for all of the major stock index futures. Now, moving over to the currencies, the dollar index really underperforming a bit today. All of the reports this morning, the economic reports, coming in better, as we mentioned, and yet the dollar index a little bit lower, so some profit taking coming in there. Also, we are seeing some gains in the euro currency, a little pressure in the British pound. Don't forget, we do have that referendum on June 23rd for the UK to leave the European Union. Right now, the stay vote seems to be gaining momentum, and the Canadian and the Australian dollar trading a little bit better in their normal reaction to higher crude oil prices. Interest rate markets acting very well today in spite of almost entirely all bearish news. So good gains in the bonds, suggesting that there may be some follow-through strength today. Usually when a market ignores bearish news and trades higher, that there is likely to be some follow-through strength. So I would look for more of the same. Continued gains today, although I would not be long into Yellen's comments tomorrow in any of the interest rate futures markets. And in the precious metals, the gold and silver, a little bit better today. Recent weakness linked to all of these hawkish comments from Fed officials over the last 3 weeks or so. And if we're right in thinking that Yellen's comments tomorrow might be a bit on the hawkish side, that could put some pressure on precious metals. But I think once her comments are out of the way, I think the uptrend will resume for both gold and silver. And I would not be surprised to see an attempt over the next couple of months to take out the annual highs. And longer term, I think we are in the early stages of a multi-bull market for both gold and silver futures. So, good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.